let's try to create. I get inspired. I do quite know. I've noticed that like a few menus do this like kind of highlighty thing, like curved highlight around the edges. Polar Moth, yo, what's up? How's your night going, bro? Working on a little bit of UI for Zen Fisher tonight. So I'm about to create some like buttons for this menu that I have. I'm using this a bit for inspiration. What are you up to, Polar? Doing any game dev tonight? Yeah, I wanna try one thing on this. I don't know if this is gonna look good, but I want to try to add one extra like 3D kind of effect. Make it look like a little bit raggedy along the edge. We will see how this looks. I think that adds to it. Yo, Gemini. Yo, what's up? What do you guys think? Is that worse or better? Gives it more depth. I think I like it overall. It might be a little too strong. Like there, it's almost not noticeable, but it gives it something, you know. I think I like it overall. It's cool. Yeah. All right. I'm feeling pretty good. Didn't really have much time to work on things over the weekend. This is all I really did. Working on my laptop on this shit. But I wanna get a few menus down. Been thinking about like all the different menus I'm gonna have to have. It's a fucking shit ton, honestly. But yeah, okay. So if you guys are interested, I'll show you my process here a little bit. Let's make basically what I want is like if you guys see this kind of I'm using this as a model a bit, but I want this like sign up at the top. I always like having the sign that sticks out from the menu because whenever you try to like label the menu internally inside of it, it always like squeezes it together in a really weird way. So we're gonna have it like this. It takes time to do these things, man. Oh god, why is it like that, man? We want it. I don't think we actually want it to be round, like a little bit rounded, but not nearly as much as the main menu. Almost, I don't know. We almost want it to be sharp. Actually, don't think we really want it to be rounded much at all. Maybe a tiny bit. Something like that. What you working on tonight, Gemini? I'm gonna say this is a little too big. Okay. And the way... Yeah, actually, you know what? The more I look at it, the more I really like this highlight here. I think I'm going to use the same strategy in the options button. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is we're going to... This is a really great trick I learned over the weekend. Go to warp, and then go to inflate. And you can kind of inflate this in and out. So I usually do just like a very slight inflate here. That's maybe too much, like 8 or something. Now this is blown out a little bit.
Colonel, I'm trying to sneak around, but I'm dummy thick, and the clap of my ass cheeks keeps alerting the guards.
Yo, Polarmouth. Thank you for the follow, dude. Should I move over to Twitch for your stream? You know, you probably should. We're definitely more active over on stream here. Or over on stream, over on Twitch. What am I saying? Yeah, although the last couple of times I've been streaming on YouTube, we've gotten some more action, so it's coming along, but I would say definitely like 80-90% of my viewers are usually on Twitch. Tonight we only got a couple people, but they're still rolling in. Just started up. I don't know. Bruce has been busy. He's been busy doing shit. Gemini says recently got music to fade from one track to another. Tweaking, boat trails. Hell yeah, nice. What's like the major things you got to do still, Gemini? I actually don't know if we want to warp it this way. We might want to warp it the other way for the... If we do, I kind of like this. Makes it look like it has some like depth. And the other thing I'm gonna do is let's just like give it. I'm trying to like stylize this game a bit. With like some consistent, you know, just a consistent style basically. Again, like tilting this up a little bit or something. I don't want to do it by individual point though. Maybe warp isn't the right thing. We want to do like skew. Yeah, like skew over like that. That's what I was thinking. Something like that. Okay. And then I'm basically just gonna copy this layer. I tried doing like a shadow the other day, but it didn't work nearly as well for me. So what I do is I just copy it, and then let's get our library colors, and then just kind of offset it the amount you want. Although I'm thinking of having a different color here than this one. Otherwise, that kind of blends in a weird way. We'll see how the shadow looks first. Polymath says, "We here, dude. Welcome to the Twitch chat." 29 achievements. Icons for each one. Oh shit, yeah, that'll. Achievements will take a while. God damn, dude, 29. What made you pick 29? Yo, Polar, do you do Unity game dev, or what do you do? All right, let's do a drop shadow. We're going to do this. Minus 90. Or is it 90? It's 90, dude. Damn it. 90. Oh, shit. I hate this. Check global. So yeah, I always like multiply for drop shadow. We also kind of have this style where like things aren't fuzzy very much. They're like hard lines. So I'm trying to go for that. So to do that, we turn the spread all the way up. And then turn the size down. Ooh, yeah, you know, this does weird things though, because Maybe in this case, we don't want... Actually, yeah, you know what? In this case, we don't want the second rectangle. The reason it didn't work on this layer was because the depth was so big, but it should work much better on this one. Let's just add a second shadow. Take that color. This one is going to be 135. This one normal, so it doesn't blend with other layers. The distance, we want it to offset like that. Like that. Okay. Opacity can come down on that shadow. One more. I thought I had 30 in stop, but forgot my placeholder. Damn, 30 achievements? That's pretty solid. Are you gonna do high scores at all? Okay. High scores are part of it. Plan on daily leaderboard. Ooh, nice. Man, that'll be so fun. I definitely want to integrate something like that into my game. I just didn't know how hard it would be, you know? It scares me a little bit. Okay, so let's do a gradient overlay now. Really makes... Oh, it's so annoying. Why can't I pick this color? Bro. Color, and it doesn't show up in my color libraries? That's so dumb. Hello? Dude, fuck you, Photoshop. Swatches, I guess. I don't know why. It's pretty stupid that it does that. I just want this to cut off a little like faster. Dude. Oh, we have to adjust these individually? It's actually really annoying. Okay, there we go, there we go. Okay. Holy man, we are live. What is going on, chat? Who else is hiding in chat? Got Brutus back here. We got our new chatter, Polar. I'm not sure if Polar disappeared or not. Figure out if he's a Unity dev or not. Oh, the old UI grind, you know? It's fantastic. Let's add a little. This is pretty cool. This is my favorite part that I learned over the weekend. So we're gonna add in some chips. What, I had an 80% opacity. So we create a layer mask. Then I come over to polygonal lasso. And then we want this to be black where we want to get rid of it. So let's try to do like a little chip here. Little chip. See, but that looks like shit. I think it's because of the it's because of this bevel. This thing's way too big, I think. Let's turn that shit down. Yeah, there we go. Let's make it like that. Let's make it way smaller, but then also like stick out a little bit more. And then yeah, also I don't like how big this guy is. I'm off. I'm trying to do Unity, but the Unity everything's file is too big for my storage. I don't know what to do about this. It thinks files are too big for your storage. Oh, like have you created a project and it's like too much for your computer? Is that what you're saying? It's me. Too big said okay, buddy. Too big said no one ever. Okay, buddy. Mr. Easy Money Snipes. How we doing tonight? Dude, I saw you live on RuneScape. I lurked. I almost said hi, but I was lurking the other day. I can't remember what I was doing, but I didn't have any audio on me, so I didn't want to talk. Sepulchre speedrunning? Oh shit. Polar, what are you trying to make? Are you trying to do a 2D game or 3D game? Okay, let's try this again now. Some little chips in here. Ooh, that's gonna be way too big. Way too big, dude. Okay. Tedious. But it works. Ooh, that one looks like shit. I guess you have to stick to like pretty simple shapes. Oh. Okay, I can't do these big harsh angles either. I don't like it. Try that. Yeah, and we can easily get rid of these. Also, just delete. It's back to normal. So it's pretty cool. Okay, so we got that one. Yeah, I guess I don't know. Hard to come up with like different shapes that actually work. Maybe on the top. Okay. It's looking pretty good. We're getting there. Let's make like one more down here. Dude. Come on. Oh, is that gonna be too big? Oh shit. What am I? I'm on the wrong layer. Is that too big? That look fucked up, you guys. It does. Fuck, man. Okay. There we go. Okay. Does that look kind of natural overall? Little chips in the sides. I ran at 27 flat. Dude, this man's speaking in track lingo. Floor 1, is that good? I have no perspective. I'm sorry. It ain't the same as being like, yo, I broke sub 50. Okay, just actually, okay. Can you give it to me in 400-meter terms? What'd you do today in 400-meter terms? Seconds. How many seconds? Convert. It's saying when I open Unity that I have to install Unity Editor, but it's a really big file. For this, I could use Unity. That's weird. Yo, Polar, if you want, I'm having a little trouble understanding what is going on. If you want, you could join the Discord and send me a screenshot. I'll try to help more there. But without a screenshot, I don't really know. It's hard for me to say. But I'm happy to help if you go to the Discord. Ish. Okay, buddy. Yeah, that's like fucking Michael Johnson shit right there. World record for cheating? Oh, okay. What do you think like legit world records are? You're 27 seconds. What do you think like the legit world record is? Okay. Is there not like an official tally of this anywhere? Or an unofficial tally? Okay, so now this is what I want to do. Where's this? Let's just copy, because we already have this layer. Delete it, but keep all the effects. Okay, so then we can make like nice actual chips in here. Fill it like that. Okay, I'll make like one more over here. Get a little more depth. Although I think it doesn't quite work as well here because everything's smaller, so we're gonna have to just tone down each of these effects by sensor. Let's just make both of these two. Okay. Maybe it looks a little better. Okay, then I wanted to experiment with this, but then let's make another layer. And then on the top side, because the light is like hitting it more directly, we're gonna make these ones lighter. So I'll come in like this. These ones are gonna be more like how does that look? Ooh, that looks good, right? It's just kind of lighting it up. Let's go. Maybe like a little more subtle like that. That'll add a little more to this. Yo, Prosh, what's up? Hello, hello, sir. What was your... It's India, right? You're in India? It's what, 10? It's 10 o'clock there, right? 10 a.m.? I know because last time is the exact opposite of my time. A picture of it if you want to look at it. Alright. I'll look at it on the side a little bit. Oh, okay. Yeah, Polar, I think I know why. I think. It's probably because you already have one version of Unity installed, but this is trying to make you install like a new version, right? And I don't think you have enough space on your computer. And you just do skip installation and then use your other one instead. See the skip installation button? 26.2. I think I heard 26.2 is tick perfect, and this man did it in 27. So what does that even mean? Does that mean like the only way you could do it faster is if you like hit harder with like a blowpipe or some shit? Okay, so let's keep adding these. Just kind of like, yeah, like highlight these edges like this. Like that? Damn, that looks good. Get baked for Sepulcher. Yeah, yeah. I'm just wondering, like, what could you do faster? Like, what's that's 2 ticks off then, right? Like, what limited you? Is it just like you didn't hit hard enough by chance, or did you like move wrong? Look at that shit, bro. Oh, I'm hyped on this right now, you guys. Okay, so then what I think we do is we do the opposite. Bottom. Starting to think we're gonna need to do the same thing as we did with this one, where we create a second layer rather than this drop shadow. Because you can see, like, right here, the drop shadow is, like, actually coming in. We don't want that there. That looks like shit. Like, these ones don't have this problem. Oh, and codes, yo, dude, how goes the website? This man's goated at making websites, he is. He's making some really nice shit. Getting close, man? Guessing flames or arrows. One of them probably made me stop. Okay, dude, we still need to talk one day. Once I get a fucking free moment in my life. Dude, I've been so busy lately. It's just so shit. I wish I could just have chill weekends, you guys. I can never have chill weekends anymore, man. Being an adult sucks. You know what happens when I have a free weekend, dude? I do something sick. Like do a 24-hour stream. Okay, now let's do the opposite down here. I'm gonna look forward to weekend. Damn, it's bad over there, bro. Jeez. Jeez, that's real bad. That looks pretty stupid. Hold up. I think we just want to like cover this. Maybe it's the color. I feel like it needs to be a it's not right. Like that. You know what I think it is? Like, did it wrong here. Go outside this, maybe? Ooh, I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna work. Maybe. I think we, yeah. Damn it. I knew I shouldn't have done this. We gotta take off this drop shadow shit. The only, yeah, the problem with this is that the drop shadow goes over the other layer then. Oh, okay, maybe what we can do is bigger distance. Smaller size. I don't know if that's gonna work. Right. My only issue is this shadow is acting fucking weird on this side. Looks really weird. Deal with that. I guess we could give it like a, I think I know how to do this. Don't come to Portland unless you're visiting me. Why? Wait, what's going on in Portland? Okay, yeah, so this looks dumb. We need to get rid of that. Oh, wait, why? Wait, why does this still look like dog shit? Oh, yeah, yeah, okay. It's because I know why, okay. We'll get there, we'll get there. Um... Yeah, how about if we do the drop shadow at a bit of a different angle? That. Little bit. Oh, dude, still kind of. Oh, or? You think I can mask this off? I think I could. What? Dude. Oh. Hmm. Try to deal with that, to be honest. Damn. Oh. No. Damn. I'm having mad trouble. Okay, here. First of all, let's do this. Just gonna cut this out of the background plane. Oh. Oh, okay. Now I know what's happening. Alright. Delete that. No? Okay, let's just do that for now. Oh, it's this stupid ass shadow. That's what it is. Oh, it's so fucking annoying, man. Yo, how do we deal with this? Oh, okay. We could make that drop shadow on this one. Like that. A bit better. Why is this bleeding through? That should not be bleeding through. That's why. Okay. Okay. Yeah. We'll just have to be a little careful then if we do it this way of this guy here. So we'll just have to make this similar. Okay. Now it looks similar, right? Nice. God. Not gonna lie though, I've learned so much about making UI in Photoshop the last couple days. I'm pretty hyped on some of the things I've learned. But yeah. Yeah, we just gotta come in here and like cut out these things. Both layers, I guess. I would say probably this would be more efficient if I just applied the same layer mask to both layers. Ooh. Yeah, that's a little strange though. We're in like the shadow regime, so I have to actually do this smarter. Yeah, I guess we just kind of cut it out like we would with the shadow. That or something. These are meant to be more like chips on the front part of the sign, not like the back part. So then, yeah, what we'll also do is then just like give a bunch of like kind of random chips, chips onto the back as well. Certain places. Uh, Let's keep doing that, dude. Keep switching to other layers on me. Well, okay. Just gonna go with this for now. And then, okay, last but not least, we're gonna come into our chips layer and redo these. So now we want to paint over these and extend them out a little further. And how does that look? That looks pretty good now. Like that. Except for whatever reason, they look like a different color than these ones. Really sure why that is, but I could like somehow get that color, but I'm pretty sure it's multiplied, so I don't know if it's actually that color. That looks darker to me. Ah. Hmm. Like that looks more like the color, but now it looks all fucked up, man. Back. Use this color instead. There we go. That looks much better. I'm keeping track of my colors now. Alright. There we go. Oh my god. Our sign is complete. Is it? No, not quite. Not quite complete yet. Jesus, man. Add a little lightning to this. Be like heat. That. Maybe it should like avoid these. A little bit. There we go. Okay. And I would say this is done. Finally, man. I will say this one has a texture to it. So I added this kind of texture through Photoshop. You can see a little bit in the background there, very light texture. And I did not add a texture to this one. Probably just gonna keep it like that for now. I don't know if this actually needs that. Unity thing is still not working. Should I uninstall and reinstall Unity? Can you open your old project? Or no? Or is it just all not working now? So I want to get a font for the game that's like kind of chill, matches this UI style, you know? Nice if there was a Photoshop font that worked. It's always really annoying to have a custom font. I don't have any old projects because I deleted them before this happened. Well, okay, what if you do this? Like if you go into your Unity hub, you go to projects and then you do new project. What does it say up here? Do you have an editor version already? It says I need to install an, oh, okay. So somehow you lost your editor. All right. Then yeah, you know, I think you have to reinstall Unity. Just make sure you clear off some space on your hard drive, you know. Clear as much space as you can on your hard drive and then reinstall it. But yeah, if it doesn't have an editor version up here, then yeah, you kind of need to hit the reinstall. Oh, it's nice to have doing this all with the layers, man. We can come back to this and edit it easily. Okay, boys, what's a good font, man? Montserrat. Ooh, Montserrat's a really nice font, honestly. Been fucking loving this font. I like using all caps for a lot of menus. How does this look? Views, dude, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty weird. I'm not sure what happened, man. Something weird happened to your Unity editor, but like, yeah, if you don't have any, if you try to create a new project and it just says like you need to install an editor, then yeah, your computer doesn't see Unity anymore. One of the massive shortcomings in Unity that I know of is that you can't really add good outlines to text. So I'm always so hesitant to do it in like Photoshop because like the only way to actually do it is to actually take a picture of it or save an image of it and then transfer it over, which is just ass. Like I don't want to have to do that right now. But let's see what some good colors are. If we were to do that. Gemini, what do you have like a custom font that you use, or are you just using a regular font for all your menus and stuff? Let's see, are there any UI menus on your Steam page? So let's check your game out. Here's Gemini's game on the Steam store, by the way, guys. Shout out to Gemini. I'm looking through your text. So I'm guessing you did this Pirate Haven text like in an actual editor. Like this isn't just like a text in Unity, right? That you imported. This is like a whole image. Trying to see, yeah, your text over here doesn't look like anything special outline-wise. What about, yeah, what about when you just did that? Like, upgrade at ports down here? It's just a font? Yeah, okay, so it does look like a font. So my question is, is this font, does it have an outline baked into it? Or did you add that outline in Unity? That was TextMesh Pro. Oh, that was done in DaVinci, like this one? Oh, okay, so it's not part of the game. Gotcha, okay, okay. Yeah, 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 okay. No, I mean, yeah, I can, right, I can do outlines and stuff in any Photoshop or any, like, video editing software, but whenever I try to do, like, an outline in Unity, it just kind of sucks. That's just my experience. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. I don't know. We could see. Let me open it up. Dude. Like I want to do this in Unity. That would be great. That looks like shit. Hmm. Maybe I want to go opposite way, dark with light outline. Oh, also looks like shit. Not as shit. Actually, it doesn't look bad. Yeah, it's just always kind of here. I'll create a canvas real quick. Mesh Pro, right? Okay, so we got our text. We can see our text here. Down here. Outline. See how it goes inwards? Like the outline isn't actually outside of it, it's inside. It's so stupid. Like I want the outline to expand outwards. Like the word implies, outline. Is there a way to get rid of that shit? Go the opposite way? It's just really annoying. Oh, see this? Unless you dilate and oh, what the fuck? You can do that. That's crazy. Oh, that's pretty cool. But can you do it in UI Builder? Why do I use UI Builder, man? Yeah, there's no. It's really annoying. No, there's no dilation. But you basically you get the same issue here. Just like it goes inwards. It's like shadow, we don't want that. There's no other option, right? Text dilation and wait, they're talking about like dilation like it exists in UI Toolkit. I use text mesh pro dilation. I mean, there's got to be a way to do this somehow because it's like with the CSS styling, you can fucking do anything. But I'm not smart enough. Hmm. Pretty dumb. What about border? Border isn't gonna. I don't think border is the right solution. It's just like a border on the whole thing. Yeah. Pretty lame. to add an outline to a label CSS. You had our label. If I do outline is 5 pixels, what happens? Invalid property. Cool. If I say outline width is 3, what happens? Okay, that is not good. What happened? Okay. Outline width. Three. Okay. Oh, whoops. Because I want to actually change the this outline width to 3 so I can see it actually register. So yeah, it does this. Unity text outline width 3 pixels. So it's actually a built-in style sheet that it's editing when you do that. Guessing that if I do something like just border, it's gonna just get really pissed off. Yeah, didn't like that either. Damn. Yeah, it's annoying as fuck. So, as far as I know, you just can't really do it in UI Builder. Fucking sucks. Whatever. Cross that bridge when we come to it. Can always take pictures in Photoshop if we can't figure out a way. Alright, well this looks like it's just kind of like etched in. Not sure if that's the style we want to go for. I guess let's go back to our reference. This is our reference. Theirs is kind of just like a grayish color. The dark border. We could try something like that. It's the etched in kind of looks weird to me. Like it doesn't look super fun. I suppose it's actually like a gradient. I don't know. There's that. Or that. Which one do you guys like better? Any preferences here? That one? Where it's kind of like etched in with a light outline? That. I feel like this one gives it more of like a... Like it matches the style that I'm going for a little bit better, personally. Like it kind of pops out a little more. So I think I'll go with this for now. Wow, that was a lot to make an options button, dude. Not gonna fucking lie. But it looks pretty good overall. Install Unity and I cleared up some space. I think now I might just install the editor. All right, yeah, go for it. So by reinstall the Unity, you mean you reinstalled the Unity hub? Yeah, hopefully if you cleared up a little space, then yeah, you should be good. Let me know if it fails. Let me know. We can debug. We can go from there. So yeah, just try it out. See how it goes. Okay, so you guys, basically, let's I'm feeling pretty good about this right now. Let's check GDD. So I was thinking through the menus we're gonna have to have. So this is the settings menu. I'm gonna call it the options menu. So we have the options menu. The options menu has to display several things. So we have to have a way to get to our collection log, our achievements. Now, I think I don't know if we should have a direct link to like something like achievements or like go through like an actual settings panel. So settings will have a whole list of other things. Settings menu I'm envisioning will be like a multi-tab menu with like keybinds and all that kind of shit. Does achievements deserve to go inside of something like settings? Like that doesn't really make sense, actually. Settings should just purely be like game settings and shit, so probably not. So then where do we view, you know, achievements? Where do we view our, how do we get to our gear and inventory? How do we view our player summary? We have to display all these things in some way. I suppose maybe the achievement should go under like gear or player summary. I think that's probably a good spot for it to go. Achievements tab. Okay, so we need a way to get to our settings, collection log. Oh, I bet collection log should also go under player. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Okay, I think this is how I want it to work. If you press escape, you go into your options menu. And then there's just a few base things like you know, like quit game, main menu, settings, and then player summary, and then like map. Right, so it's like 5 total options. And then the player's summary will be a multi-tabbed menu. And it will have things like achievements, collection log, gear and inventory will also be there. And if you press tab, you go straight into the player summary menus. And then it just remembers what was the last tab that you had open, right? I think I like that overall. Sheesh, dude. Dude, there's so much UI. There's so much UI in a game like this. Oh my god. It's so fucked. It's so much. So what does a game like Raft look like? Let's check out Raft. I'm gonna check out some menus, you guys. I might boot up Valheim as well. Let's look at Valheim. Valheim does a lot of things right. Game made fucking millions of dollars, so well, interestingly, it doesn't even give you an option to go into your inventory from here. Wait, that's kind of buggy, dude. You can tab up and down, but then you can also highlight with the mouse at the same time. That's a little weird. That's not how I would design it. Rootbin Studio, yo, I'm an indie game developer. Hell yeah, dude. How long you been doing it? Isn't that kind of weird, Gemini? Now if I press enter, which one does it do? It does the one that it's actually on the keyboard, so it's not that buggy, but it's a little weird. Anyways, yeah. So I'll have a settings panel like this, right? This doesn't include anything about the player. I'm thinking that I'll also have a player, what is it? Just player data. What do I call it? Player summary. I'll have like a player summary tab. And the player summary tab will work a little bit like the settings, where there's like player overview, inventory, and gear. I might just call it inventory. have like what else? Achievements. Achievements tab. Oh, collection log. Right, and then like maybe high score. There's high scores. Something like that. You like naming things? I know Brutus loves naming things. Rupin says, for some years, but I've never made anything that anyone wants to play. Oh man, well, what have you made? Have you published anything? Like, what about, have you like put something up on itch.io or whatever? So I'm thinking that this main pause menu right here, I do like having a continue. Save. I don't know if we'll need a save. Probably. Settings, and then main menu, quit. I mean, I would like to have like a player summary tab here that you can click. I think that makes sense to me. They don't have that though. I guess in a way this is a bit how I'm thinking of doing it, like how they do it. Right? They have like different tabs you can click here. Compendium, skills, trophies. Then they have like, yeah, your inventory. But I don't think I'm gonna make it as like an interactive as this. It's just gonna be one big menu with like on one tab it'll be inventory and gear, another tab it'll be achievements, blah blah blah. Okay, I feel better. I feel like at least I have a vision. Let's look at Raft. Man, both these games have their own custom pointers. Also, why is the aspect ratio like cut off in this game? That's kind of weird. Makes actually just no sense to me. Why you would ever want to do that. Oh, it's because of my... There we go. How that got changed. Good like splash screen. This is pretty cool. It's all about just building the vibe, man. What happened to Rootbin? Rootbin, you still there? You are just asking about any games you publish, man. Alright, so this is what theirs looks like. Turn to game, save world. Center main menu exit. You know what? They don't have... Both of these games do not have like a inventory option there to click. So they're kind of assuming that your inventory works independently. What about games without hotbars? How do they work? I don't know. I guess it's not a huge issue. I can just add the button later if I want to. I'm just trying to think in terms of this. What's it gonna look like? Done. See, now I don't like this. It looks oddly spaced. How awful is it if I do double row like this? I think I'll get hated on if I do this. Like this or something. I didn't think this through. I don't really like this. I don't know. Doesn't look the worst. The other option is we'd like make this a little smaller. We just do something like this. Yeah, they'd have to be so much smaller though, dude. And there's just like all this open space for no reason, dude. I mean, I suppose we could put some like handy things. I don't know, man. Oh, we could build a new menu that is just a smaller, skinnier version of this one. Oh, I hate UI. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Yeah, I wonder how easy is it to like completely create a new menu. Wait, what? What? Why does that happen? That's pretty weird. Okay. Like you might be able to just lop off certain parts in the middle. Six buttons. Wait, did you see my other version? Did you see my other version, Brutus? You didn't see? Okay, let me go back to it. Let me see if I can get back to it. This is what I was, okay. How much do you hate the two columns of buttons like this? I'm considering either doing this for the options or remaking, I'm gonna keep this wider version, but then also making another one that's similar but just skinnier and taller. I would probably make all these buttons a little smaller than this header up here. Like maybe I'd make the header bigger. Part of me feels like this is a little clunky. I think it would look better. Here, let's just look at this real quick before we totally dismiss this. I think part of the reason this looks a little weird is because this is too small. So I'd either make all the buttons smaller or this bigger, like this. Right, so it'd be something like that. Or option 2 is then I make this menu skinnier and then I have all these 5 options in one vertical line. No need to have a quit in a main menu. Oh, I see what you're saying. You get a choice when you click quit. That's a pretty good tip. Okay, I like that. Okay, so we could get away with 4 buttons. Wait, what did draft have? Doesn't seem like the kind of game to have manual saves and loads. Man, I feel like it could for sure. And you could kind of just be press the menu button again too, or red X at the top. That's a pretty good idea too. I think the fewer menus you have to fucking deal with, the better, right? And if I have 3 or 4 buttons there instead of 5, then I think I can do the single layout skinnier menu. UI is rushed. Yeah, every time I do UI, I get better, but it's hard. It's really hard. It won't pass on without playing or touch it again. Yeah, that's how I've always done my games before. Turn to game, save world, settings. I mean, we don't need to have a fucking help center. So they have main menu and exit. But yeah, you could just have a quit and then it says main menu. Main menu, exit, or quit. This is kind of like the confirmation. Yeah, I don't feel like this button's very necessary. Because like if you have an X, then it's like obvious that you can just click the X, or the normal person will just know they can hit escape again. So yeah, I feel like that's actually pretty redundant. Each level is separate from the home area. You can save every time you go back home. Yeah, and then I could just like, well, I just what I would worry about, you know, yeah, save is kind of. I think there should just be a timer like on the save. And then every time, yeah, you go in like a portal, it saves automatically. Let's say like every like 5 minutes, there's an automatic save. Every time you go in a portal, there's a save. Every time you quit, go to main menu, any of that type of shit, it automatically saves, right? I feel like with that kind of system, like you can pretty much get away with like never having the player to manually save. Like, just, how often do you actually fucking save in like Raft or Valheim? Like, never. I've never saved manually in Valheim. Cage up, holy man! You gonna sleep, dude? Alright, dude. Have a good sleep. Hope you can sleep better than me. Right, yeah. Okay. You guys have convinced me. We don't need a save. We don't need to continue, but then I do need an X. Which could be a bit of a bitch. We don't need a main menu. We definitely need a settings. What else do we need? How it's pointless to have like a map button, right? Like a map in the options. Options is like not for that kind of stuff. It's not for like gameplay stuff, right? So, well, what the fuck? What else do I have? Just two things? I would just have settings and quit at this rate. All other menus are hotkeys, and you can have controls tab inside. You can have a controls tab inside settings. Right, yeah, yeah. Settings will be like multiple tabs for different types of gameplay settings. Yeah. Yeah. You missed it a little bit earlier. I was going over the design document, but this is basically what I'm looking at here. So, right, so options, menu, we're gonna not do this anymore. Well, now I'm considering having this here, but I don't actually know. Because like if I get rid of continue, then there's just two buttons. That's kind of weird. So I could have like the player summary tab, which the player summary tab is going to be you press tab to access it. It's like your inventory. But then it's a multi-tabbed menu, and it just remembers the last menu you were in. And so there will be like an achievements menu, there will be a collection log menu there will be your inventory slash gear combined into one tab. Possibly other things. But yeah, then there's going to be a player account summary thing. And you just access it by pressing tab. So I don't feel like it's really necessary to put it inside of the options menu. But I could. You can have a stats option instead of continue. Then beneath the menu, flash, press escape to continue. Oh, player stats. And beneath the menu, flash, press escape to continue. Oh, okay. So then you're saying like down here, you could say something like this. Oh, perfect. Yeah, that looks great, actually. Yeah, you could definitely do something like this. Okay, and then this would be this player stats doesn't fit. Stats. Yeah, I like stats. Stats is makes you want to click it. But then yeah, stats just brings you to your player summary. I like that overall. But now does this menu, do you think it looks funkily wide? Like should I now make it more narrow? Of course you want to click it. I want to see my stats, dude. What's on a chalkboard or porn? Dude, I like the stats, man. What can I say? I think okay, so now let's try one more thing here. Um and overall I think this looks really nice. Pretty happy with it. Does this need like a little outline? Trying to think. Kind of actually like it. No outline, but I want to see what it looks like with one. Oh, what do you think? I think I like a no outline. Like blends in with the background a little bit. You can make it like lighter. I think like that, like less obtrusive is better. I have been at 1650 push-ups for a long time, man. No one's been spending their money. I think a canvas inside the background that is dark. Like canvas inside the background that is dark. Oh, like a paper canvas. Where were we seeing this shit earlier? Saying like this, right? Are you saying like a paper canvas? No. What a dark color. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, yeah. How does like I think actually the one I was looking at does something like this. It was a different one. Like kind of like this darker outline here, like if something like that could. Where's a good example, dude? Just, okay, let me just try it. Like that. I don't know. Is that bad? Looks kind of dumb. I see your Discord posts? I don't think so. Did I? Oh, yeah. Yeah, sorry. I didn't respond, but yeah, I saw that shit earlier. That's nuts. Darker. Okay, if we're gonna go darker, then we gotta use this color instead. Oh, background for all the buttons. Like that. Okay, I could add some like kind of depth, like it's etched out. I don't know if that's what we're going for. Ah, I hate how it does this too. Like, oh, it's gonna fuck this thing up now, dude. Like, oh my god, why does it mess with the other one, dude? Oh, like, okay, good. What we need is an inner stroke, I think. And yet it wants to put it on that one up there for fucking who knows what reason. Oh, so stupid, you guys. Because I put it on that layer. How did I even do that, dude? I thought I had a layer there. I thought I was using some like global property. Oh, I finally figured out how to make my own little library, dude, for Zenfisher. Now we're gonna save all our colors. It's so great. Just the best. Alright, stroke. Inside. sure if the bevel gonna actually help us. Really. But we could do something like that. We could try lightening this up too, just to see if a different color work. I feel like that looks pretty weird. Do we just make it the same color as the these? Yeah, it does. It needs to be definitely dark. Is it? Wait, is it this color? Oh, that's actually a different one. Okay. I'd probably rather make it that foreground color. And then that. Yeah. Well, yeah, I think this strip is just way too big. 7. That's weird. Yeah, I don't know. Looks all right. Definitely looks better than that. I will say that. I think I just don't. I don't really like the color overlay. Or sorry, the that. That's what I want. I want to be able to do is I just want to like come in here and make some little bites out of here, you know. do I invert? Damn it. That. Let him cook. Bankus, what's up, bro? We're trying, man. We're trying. Man, that looks pretty good. This man's gonna make me think I have like 4 YouTubers chatting up, dude. I don't know how y'all change your names so fast. Oh, dude, what? No. No. How do I remove? Dude. I didn't want it to connect like that. Now I got the opposite shit going on that I want. Gotta be a way to undo your last lasso point. There is, right? Like there has to be. Undo the last lasso point. Okay, shop. I know there's a way, bro. Come on. Delete. Backspace key, dude? Nah. Oh, well, it's gone anyways. Cool. Let's do this for now. Alright. Only problem is we need a little depth. But I don't want these to get all like rounded. Like that happens. cool. You know what? Made this on the wrong layer yet again. It's really awesome that I just did that. Really awesome. Oh, I also, dude, Photoshop's being so annoying to me, man. I just deleted those things. I didn't actually mask it off. Okay, now if we do this, and then we expand it by a tiny bit, we give it a different color. Color overlay. Oh, it looks nice and sharp. How does that look? Look like it's kind of like cut out now, and hey, there, that's a little bit better. Okay, Jesus, I think I'm liking it. Download the Unity editor and said it was only going to take up 6 gigabytes, but then downloads a 19 gigabyte file, so I think I might just give up on Unity until I get a new computer or better storage. Shit, dude, Unity do be like that. It fucking... Dude, it just downloads random ass shit. Yeah, you gotta be careful. I don't know. Gotta be careful with which options you check, I guess, but... Damn, how much space does your computer have? Yo, Twisted Gamers. Yeah, has it been you the whole time, Twisted? Can't tell anymore, man. You like it though? Think it looks good? Clean up. Twisted Gamer says clean up the temp folder. That's true. You could go. Where's temp folder again? Yeah, on your C drive, go into temp. Wow, mine's empty, apparently. Is that the one you're talking about or a different one? Actually, I don't even know. Is that the real temp? Fucking no, dude. In the user folder. Is it TMP? Or is it in like app data? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, like temp in the Explorer. Oh, there we go. Temp. Yeah. Yeah, so if you type temp, you can find all this fucking temp shit, bro. Look at all this shit. Oh, cool. Photoshop is taking up 4 gigs of temp space. I love you, Photoshop. Oh, you're using a MacBook. Oh, shit. Bro, can you get rid of any like big apps or anything? Applications? Damn, yeah, I don't know. I don't use Unity very often on a Mac. Didn't realize that's what you were working with. Okay, the last thing I want to try is I just want to try making the options menu. I want to try making it smaller. What I'm going to try to do here is on this copy now, we just delete like a slice. We're gonna take this slice, delete, paste that on a different layer. Oh, there's this like discontinuity though. It's pretty dumb. Oh, it's close. Just want to see what it looks like. Okay, so what do you guys like better for an options menu? This or wider like this? Anyway, thanks for the help. I like the look of the menu, very cool. Alright, man. Yeah, keep us posted if you get Unity working again. Come on back to the stream. Try to help you out. Maybe you can find some things to clear out in the next day or two and you can get it downloaded. You like first one? I like this one too, actually, yeah. The only thing with this one is maybe this is a little too big over here now, but very easily fixable. Okay, beautiful. Oh, you're gonna build a PC? Nice, dude. Well, dude, fucking building the PC is gonna change your life. Hope you get to do that soon. I need to get some replacement parts, you guys. I'm scared my CPU is just gonna melt one of these days. What's my CPU temp right now? Let's check it. Hello, HW monitor. There we go. Jesus, took so long. All right. What is? Okay, you know, just sitting at a nice 80 degrees C. Maxing at 90 C tonight, casually. It's so bad, dude. What do I have open? Nothing, dude. Photoshop, Streamlabs. Actually, Streamlabs is fucking gnarly for the CPU, dude. Streamlabs just destroys my... Oh, and I have Unity open, so yeah, I actually have a lot of shit open. What's my GPU? Like my temp? Let's check. It should be much better. Because the heatsink probably actually works. I don't know why this takes so long to open. Oh, the model. It's a 3070 Ti. Boy, Masa, do you have any tips for building one? Um, well, I mean, I don't have any big tips. Like, just go hard on your CPU, and like the CPU is so important these days. So go pretty hard on the CPU. Like that's the thing I would like comparably spend the most money on, you know? Like I would like it's not going to cost as much your GPU, but like I would spend more money on a CPU rather than spending more money on a GPU. If you're like a productivity type of person, if you're trying to do like, you know, graphics design and or sorry, like game development and stuff. I don't know. I think all the productivity like of a CPU is really important. Um, Besides that, I would highly recommend two monitors, like Brutus was saying before. Like two monitors is yeah, it's the biggest upgrade you can have on a computer. So invest in two monitors if you can, and invest in a good CPU above all else. I wouldn't worry about like overclocking stuff. So if you have like the option to like buy something that's more expensive because it's going to help you overclock, like you don't need to get into that for your first build. Never cheap out on the power supply. That's also very good advice. Yeah. Yeah, the power supply, if you get a bad power supply, man, like it can cause you so much hell. Make it a wide monitor and a side monitor. There you go. Yeah, that's enough. I mean, as long like having two in any fashion is really nice. This gamer says, "What's your CPU model?" My CPU model is an i7 8700K. It's fucking old, man. At this point, it's like 5, 6 years old, I think. And I'm pretty I'm pretty sure it's not mounted. Like like something happened to the thermal paste or something, dude. It's just not. The heat is not getting drawn away from it very well. 80, I mean, yeah, ADC would be okay if it was like under max threshold, but it's definitely not right now. Let's see what my CPU's running. CPU's just chilling at like, yeah, 30% usage. Yeah, it's at 8700K, yeah. Okay, who is this Mark Easton kid? $8,700K is well known for getting hot fast. Really? Oh shit. Yeah, but I think there's something additionally wrong. Like it didn't always used to be like this. Wait, already with this 2600K? Jesus. Madman. Do I blow out my computer? I do occasionally. I need to right now. Scared to do anything. I don't want to break anything. I think I'm about to upgrade, dude. It's like it's imminent. Couple weeks. That means no. Yeah, it's been a while. Well, I thought about doing it the other day, but there's like a lot of dust and I'm scared to do it. I'm kind of just trolling, but What should I buy you guys? I need a new CPU, I need a new motherboard. I'm getting literally the best of either AMD or Intel, which means either I'm getting the fucking ridiculous, what is it, 13900K? I'm either getting this, or I'm getting an AMD. Was it 60? It's like 7950 or some shit. 7950X. I'm getting one of these guys. That or this. But I'm scared to get this thing, dude. I've heard that this thing runs hot as fuck. Well, yeah, what I read is I should get this one for what I do. I was reading is AMD is the way for productivity right now. And also their motherboard, I think they just came out with a new like connector, so like this will be pretty future proof, the socket, the AM5 socket. So I could upgrade with my motherboard in like a few years, you know, if I really wanted to. I don't know, dude. Suffering games with AMD. Do I care? I care. All right. What are we doing, dude? Do I begin porting this over to UI Builder tonight or no? I don't want to. What the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, I can't wait to get NVMe. Almost nothing is CPU limited anymore, dude. Well, I mean, depends what you're talking. Depends what kind of games you're talking about. Like Fortnite is CPU limited. You want? I'll put together one each. Oh, builds? I'm fucking down. Is that what you're talking about? I would love if you did that, dude. Because I need to put all this shit together. That's like the main thing preventing me from doing it is just like taking the time out of my day and actually making a build. Yes. Oh, I would love it if you did that for me, Mr. Brutus. Alright, it's a deal. You make it, I'll buy it. This is annoying as shit. Why is this... Here, let's try this. Where is the crop tool? Eh, whatever, we don't care. Oh, wait. I can carry that with me. Ooh. Shit. I don't want that, actually. What's my budget? Well, okay. I mean, you know me, man. Like, I spend racks on my computer, so, like, my budget is basically just, like, as much money as it takes, as long as it's not stupid. Also, I mean, I think I have a build on my Twitch. I think I have a build link, so if you want a reference of like what I currently have, it should be here. PC specs. Build V2. I have in mind it will be between 1500. Well, I'm upgrading mine, just so you know. Like I'm not getting all brand new components. So like I already have a power supply. Like I bought a power supply like unless for some reason I need a new one, but like I really hope not. I bought a pretty solid power supply recently. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna need a new motherboard, CPU. I'm also gonna need new RAM because it's gonna be DDR5 RAM, right? Well, yeah. So basically, this is what my build is. I think. Except I don't know if I've updated my. I don't know if I updated my power supply on here. Sonic. I think this is it, yeah. Yeah, I think it's this one, 750 watts. Yeah, here's my current build. So i7 8700K. Yeah, I have this very old cooler. Like, I don't even know. This cooler probably doesn't even have any liquid in it. It's probably just evaporated somehow. So I need a new cooler. Oh, sorry, what's polar mounts in? Or polar mounts in? I want to build a PC like games like Rust. Yeah, I mean, I feel like 50. If I feel like you're gonna have to spend like 2 grand, you know? It's worth spending like 2 grand probably if you can afford it. I mean, it just depends like what your budget is really. Like, I would recommend spending like 2 grand if you can for Rust. Well, I mean, you can run Rust, yeah, on fucking anything basically, but I don't know. I'm just saying like if you want best bang for your buck and like you want your computer to go the distance, you know, for many many years, I think like $2,000 is the sweet spot. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you really could play Rust on a really cheap ass computer. Anyways, I need to get a CPU cooler, I need to get a CPU, I need to get a new motherboard, I need to get new memory. I am gonna have to get new storage. I will keep this storage probably. This is just my like my Z drive or whatever. I obviously am just keeping this. I don't need a GPU. I'm gonna keep my case. I'm gonna keep my power supply. So yeah, I need a lot of new things. CPU cooler, motherboard, memory, storage. Those 5 things are what I need. And my budget is just literally like it doesn't matter, but I'm not trying to do like some dumb CPU that's like way more expensive than it needs to be, right? I don't I don't care for some like mega CPU cooler. Like I just want what I need. And I want DDR5 RAM and I want NVMe storage. So, there you go. M2, yeah. Yeah, I do want M2. What's aftermarket cooler? I don't know how much money says Polar Month. Well, yeah, yeah, okay. I mean, yeah, if $2,000 out of your budget, dude, just build like the, you know, an entry level PC. It's like a PC part picker, entry level PC. Like, let's see what that costs, you know. Entry level Intel gaming build. I'll send you this link. $769. Like, if you wanted to, you could do this, you know. It's gonna be a pretty decent computer. It's not bad to do something like this. Especially as your first build. Like, then at least you get experience building it and it's not terribly expensive, and then you can always upgrade. Best way to fry your CPUs with a stock cooler. What does an aftermarket cooler even mean? You want at least 16 gigabyte? I want just give me. I'm gonna get 32 gigabytes of RAM. I'm consistently over 16 gigabytes when I'm doing productivity shit. video editing and all that, so I just want 32. Oh, sorry, you're talking about Polar. Oh, yeah. 16, what does it say? Oh, yeah. Actually, yeah, fuck that. Do you do not do 8 gigabytes of RAM. Do 16 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, I should probably look at this before I just recommend it to you. But this can give you a starting point at least to research. Definitely do not just buy all this shit without researching. Oh, anyways. Ah. Oh, wait. Fuck. Is there a way to change the default import for a Photoshop file, man? Be nice if I learned how to do that shit. Shit. Oh. What the fuck? Why does this not auto-align it? Align self center. I hate UI toolkits so much, bro. I fucking hate it. Wish I wasn't using it. What's Twisted Gamer saying? My bad, I wasn't watching YouTube. Now I need to catch up. Wait, Twisted Gamer said has templates and lots of plugins. What are you talking about? 2 by 154. New header container. But I really just don't understand. One day I'll learn how to do this shit. Oh, this is like expand. Yeah, okay, we don't want that. We want this. Maybe we can also... Finally, something nice about UI Builder is that we can scale it, I think. Scale. 1.2. There we go. Okay. Yeah, except... For Photopea, it's Photoshop within a website? Really? Wow. That's pretty good. Layer's not editable. Alright, I'll have to check this out. Looks pretty sick. Gotta get Montserrat in here. Operating system matter, you do kind of have to. You're gonna run Windows at least, yeah. Unless you want to try to do Linux. What's a component in a PC that makes loading better? Like loading times? You're talking about like moving files around and like installing shit? Like Unity? What is that? It's gonna be a bunch of things, dude. It's gonna be, I mean, one of the big things will definitely be what kind of like storage you have. Obviously, if it's HDD versus SSD, you obviously want SSD, and then there's different types of SSD. Like, I think like the write speeds are like 6 or 7 times faster for the most recent thing, like for the M2 SSD. It costs you quite a bit more to have a system that runs with NVMe probably. And then CPU is also really important because whenever you're like installing things, you're constantly like unzipping, like unzipping and shit. Basically, you're doing like compression algorithms. Like those are generally run through the CPU. So the better CPU you have, the faster it can compress and decompress things. Good ergonomic chair. I don't know. I mean, I would just try to buy something like used, honestly. Try to buy like a used chair off, I don't know, either from a store that has like resale or someone online. Because like you're gonna get way more bang for your buck from a used chair. Like a lot of people don't like used chairs, you know? So if you could find one, like someone selling one, which you will, like tons of people sell used chairs, like you can get a really good one for like a low price. That's what I would recommend doing. I feel like buying like brand new, like, you know, $200-300 chairs is like not really worth it. Just buy like a nice used one if you can. Shit. Why is this like so high up? What the hell? Is that actually what it looks like? Oh, there we go. How does this look? Facebook Marketplace? Yeah, it's a good place to look. Yeah. Yeah, I recommend trying that out. Ah, wait, what? I make like a standard button? Is that worth? I think it is. Yeah, it's pretty annoying, but well, I think this is where I need to go to bed. I have to start creating a bunch of UI menus and code and shit. It's not gonna be fun. It's already late, so might be my bedtime, you guys. This text bothers the shit out of me, man. Oh, maybe we can. Can we? Man. Maybe I'll look this up real quick. How to get a custom fonts into UI Toolkit. Custom fonts UI Toolkit. I would love to get the Montserrat font in there. This fucking normal font just looks like shit. How do you even Montserrat? TPL file download. Oh. Weird. Doesn't have any memory of me having this. Okay, so let's come in here and let's make fonts. Montserrat, bold, ETF. How to do this? It's like I literally have a video on this and I forgot how to do it. On asset creator. Montserrat, bold, auto sizing, generate font atlas, save. Okay, is that what I need to do? Is that it? Gotta go, Polar. All right, dude. Let us know how your PC build goes and all that shit. See you back here soon. Peace, dude. Okay, so let's make sure we can do it with normal UI. Font. No. Because I did a text mesh pro and not just like a normal text. Hey, we got it. Let's go. Nice. Yeah. Outline with. Dude, can I just copy this? Oh, that's so annoying, dude. Like, I just want to. Dude, Photoshop really bothers me sometimes, you guys. Yeah, I can't do it. I guess I can get into the foreground and copy like that. I should start making my my palette in here. Oh, I have my swatches down here. Great. Can I create a new, yes, create new library. There we go. Delete. Okay. Nice. Now we got a nice little outline. Still isn't the greatest because it's the inner outline, but it works, I guess. Kind of. Is it getting bigger? No? Guess not. It's as big as it gets. Refuses to do more than what? 5? Can't do anything bigger than 5. Okay. Shadow? 2. It's like shit. Looks like absolute dog shit, dude. Alright, no shadow. Was good. Thank you, Twisted. Alright, I think that's about it. That's all I get tonight. Yeah, we'll make this like. Doesn't change it? Dude, oh, that's the margin. I guess it was this one that I did it on. Okay. Nice. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna do something a little more complicated tomorrow with the buttons than I would normally do. Normally I would just like create 3 buttons here and just like hook them up individually. But what I want to do is I want to create a C# class for the buttons because we're going to be reusing these all over the project. And then in the C# class, we'll just like auto assign it a few things like an on click and an on hover method. So just by default, it has those all the time. The reason is like for the on hover, like you kind of want like a sound. So you want a custom on hover events. And then Same thing for the click. Otherwise, what you have to do is every time you create one of these buttons, you have to like assign the sounds for the click and the hover manually for each button. It kind of gets nasty. And it's easy to forget. So this way, like we'll just have like kind of like a base button class in our project that does certain things. So yeah, that's next up. I probably not gonna stream tomorrow. I'm still working on these YouTube videos, trying to get those out. So I'm gonna take the day off tomorrow from streaming, and then I'll see you guys on Tuesday.